Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear the Vice, on no say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, government to install surveillance cameras in prisons. We Uno think about that, my wisdom warriors. The government of Jamaica said they are going to install surveillance cameras in the prison. What do you think about that? You have to put it in the comment section and let me know how you feel about it. With inmates behind prison bars still masterminding murders and influencing criminal activity via cellular phones, Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says the government will be adding surveillance cameras to the arsenal of tools for policing correctional facilities. My wisdom warriors, you know what? Like, me have to dissect this, my wisdom warriors, yeah? Because them out here making it look like, say, are from behind. No, come from behind bars. Stop tricking Jamaican people, them. No, come from behind no bars. You don't know where this a come from. Andrew Holness was the same very person stand up and say he knows. Every damn thing he knows. They say he knows big. Everything him know. Everything him know not chat about an inside thing it a come. No go so. This is political motivated and you know that. My wisdom warriors, you know what go happen? You go see a lot of PNP are dead. And then you only go hear. And them own people are do it. Because that the labor right them are spread, The labor right them are spread it, And I said the PNP are kill after one another, Well, nothing no go so. Nothing no go so. It is alleged that the JLP supporters them are do it, my wisdom warriors. It is alleged, and I mean say so. There's allegations out there. You understand? Them say a JLP and them are do it. And them are make it look like a the PNP. So you know what? My wisdom warriors, what me tell you no say. And I want easy thing this, And I want easy thing. This is not an easy thing, my wisdom warriors. Me a pre-war one. Them a type of something always happen when it come, when election a come. You notice? Who remember the killing where did happen? What them call it a beef? I can't remember the name, The killing where did happen at the time that when it coming up to election. Years ago. Who remember? The mass killing what happened. My wisdom warriors. We have to read between the lines. We have to dissect things. We have to dissect and try to understand what is going on. So, Horace Chang now, I go put in surveillance in the prison. Alright, Horace Chang. So how comes I know? I know me not hear a talk about the police them wearing the body cam. How you not mention that? Because the last time I checked, you was the same very person, Horace Strong, that came out and said the body cam is not a priority. It is a priority, let me tell you that. So me want to make the police them wear it. And if something wrong with them body cam, no work. They not figure no work. They not figure no work. Everybody we are go them body cam for depend them body. Look what happened to the young lady. Look what happened to the young lady at the bar. How the policeman beat her up. Choke her. Take chair and beat her. And she end up and got the police station. And when she got the police station, then beat her up on top of it. And run her off of the compound. You need surveillance there so too. You need surveillance there so too. My wisdom warriors. Yeah? Them, if you don't want to put in on the surveillance, put in on the surveillance. But don't use this and talk about, that's why you not put in surveillance. And I know that's why you not put it in. Put in on the surveillance. But make sure that the police them wear body cam too. Make sure that every station too, not only inside the prison, every station for have surveillance too. And every police will wear them body cam too. Every single police or strong. You're going like you're good somebody. Coupon you were under investigation. Under investigation for organized crime. Coupon you. Huh? Uno na have no crime plan. So for a crime plan, I have to put in surveillance because them are sitting where I come from behind bars. Uno stopping nonsense. Stop the nonsense, man. But come from behind bars. My wisdom warriors. You know, so I don't understand. Me really not understand. And when me hear them talk about overseas and all these things, my wisdom warriors, them are lied, you know. Them are lied. Horace Chang, the police them for wear body cam. The soldier them for wear body cam. Everybody for wear body cam. What you do about that? Me tell us that they don't care about the Jamaican people. You don't think a joke me I make. You don't think a joke me I make, my wisdom warriors. But a serious thing me I tell you now. Read between the lines. You know from when we are asked, even Indy come a call upon them for wear the body cam. They need to wear body cam. You understand? And the police they now wait. And enough things are going. Enough things the police them a do. And the soldier them a do. Whole heap of things are going behind closed doors, my wisdom warriors. You hear me? Whole heap of things are going. This is why we're calling for the officers to start wearing the body cam. It is very important. It is very important. So my wisdom warriors, don't tell me what to think if it's a good move anywhere. Yeah, I believe it's a good move with the surveillance cameras in prison. Yes, I agree with that. But don't make it look like the killing will go on other day. And that's why unap. Hey, my wisdom warriors, Jano, me left you right here. So don't tell me what you think about it still. You don't have to agree with me, you know. But you don't tell me what you think about it. Anyway, taking this. A lecturer was charged following the alleged sexual assault of an 18-year-old female student at her home in West Kingston. The incident is reported to have occurred in June 2024. My wisdom warriors. So teacher has been charged with sexual assaulting an 18-year-old. Wanna hear that? Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? A teacher, you hear them use a lecturer. And enough Jamaican people understand when I say lecturer, you know. I want a teacher. I'm going to talk about it over here before. But to my surprise, it come back in the paper again. And we are calling on the government once more to publish the sexual offender registry. If you say you mean Jamaican people well, and you go protect we, come out and show we. Show we how you go protect we. You need to release the sexual offender registry. My wisdom warriors, don't tell me what to think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Take in Mark Golding.
Comrades, when you have quality and quality is willing to come forward to serve the people, it is a very good thing for Jamaica. And we have here in Comrade Janice Allen, a lady of quality. And Central St. James needs a change from what is there now. And we are giving you, and she has stepped forward, rally behind your candidate and make sure that when the time comes, I have Janice Allen with me walking up Duke Street into Garden House on the side of the aisle that forms government. And we are there for the people to continue the historic mission of the People's National Party. One love, comrades. Comrades.
My wisdom warriors, when I hear Mark Golding, a positivity Mark Golding I deal with, you know. Yes, man. Positivity Mark Golding I deal with. And Mark Golding want the best for the Jamaican people. Mark Golding want the best for the Jamaican people. When I hear the man come out and say to Andrew Holness, say they need to work together. But me I show you say Andrew no want to work together. Him alone want to be a leader and run the country and run down the blouse and skirt country. That's all Andrew Holness aim is. Andrew aim is not to make Jamaica better, you know. So when you hear these dirty thinking labor right out, actually they don't have no sense, actually they logy. And that's why them attack. I say them come out and I say how we call for war. That is what the labor right them out and I spread propaganda. Say PNP people is calling for war. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? My wisdom warriors, this really a get out of hand. This really a get out of hand. But St. James people, I want to stand up with Janice. Yes, man, I want to come together and stand up with Janice. Yeah, because the next Prime Minister is going to be Mark Golding. Whether you like it, yes or no, and Mark Golding is going to be the next Prime Minister, not Andrew Holness. And you see to how I see it, Andrew Holness now give up without a fight.
As the candidate for South Manchester, which is probably the only seat as big as this one geographically. I'm telling you that I am a candidate. As a recently appointed candidate for South Manchester, I thought I had retired. But perhaps it is the constituency that resembles this one the most in terms of the huge size of the constituency. And because of that, I can appreciate the commitment and the passion that Corey Nikisha Burchell has brought to the role of candidate in South Central.
My wisdom warriors, I don't know who him attack. Him attack Nikisha Burchell. Me always play her over here. Yeah, she's the spokesperson for the People's National Party, and also I think she's the Deputy General Secretary. Yes, I believe she is. Nikisha Burchell, let me tell you something, darling. I love the fight where you fight for the Jamaican people. I am so proud of you. The Wisdom Warriors are so proud of you. The People's National Party are so proud of you. And the Jamaican people, the well-thinking Jamaican people, is so proud of you. The way how you stand up and talk for the Jamaican people, we love you for that, darling. Don't give up the fight. Never you give up, because you're on the right track and you are doing the right thing. My Wisdom Warriors, hear this. The center of tropical storm Ernesto was located near the French island of Guadeloupe and the Leeward Island on Tuesday, with maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour. Gradually strengthening is expected during the next few days, and Ernesto could reach hurricane strength by Thursday over the waters north of the Greater Antilles, the Miami-based National Hurricane Center said in its latest weather bulletin. So my Wisdom Warriors, we have to pray for send with Ernest. Ernesto, let me just shorten it and call it Ernest. Ernest, go on back where you come from. Nobody turning a no hurricane. Let me tell you something, brother. Jamaica can't manage another hurricane. My Wisdom Warriors, we cannot manage another hurricane. And right now, Ernesto is ready to turn into hurricane. And Ernesto not easy, you know. He all pick up speed. He all pick up speed, my Wisdom Warriors. So Jamaica, we don't need to get ready, you know. Because remember, you know, when Andrew Holness did attack, what did he say? He said, there's whole heap of hurricane fi come. I hope when Andrew attack, you listen good enough. Because no for you only I hear, but you not listen. No for you. My Wisdom Warriors, we have to be prepared. That's all I can say right now. We just have to be prepared. Cause right now, anything can happen. We only have to pray for it turn back. We only have to pray, say, this now go develop in a no hurricane. Because Jamaica, not even Jamaica alone, Grenada, the whole of them, we cannot take it. So now tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel about this and put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link is in the comment section. You can also reach me on my WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Bless up on a nice clean self. One love.